Now, the next one is very simple. Given a string, replace each character with the next one following it. So basically, if we are given the string in code, what we need to do is we need to find this output. So the output will be fodpef. How did they get to the output is that if we have the character E, the next one will be F, and if we have the character N, the next one should be O, and then if we have the character C, the next one should be D, and then if we're given the character O, the next one should be P, and then if we're given the character D, the next one should be E, and then if we're given the character F, the next one, E, the next one should be F. Right. So to give another example, if we are given A, B, C, D, it means that we'll have A, the next one following A will be B. If we have B, the next one following B will be C. And then if we have C, the next one will be D. And then if we have D, the next one should be followed by the E character. Now, without any further ado, open your IDEA, go to your package, say new Java class. I'm calling it replace with new next character. Okay, so you have your main method, and then I'll just give it some input here. Normally you'll get this from the user, so for simplicity I'm just hard coding it here. So I'll code it in code as they have done it in the example, and then we'll have our results here, or output, and then we'll have it to nothing. So you can also use a stream builder or even stream buffer if you're in a multi-threaded environment. So for those who don't like string concatenation, you can use a string builder. Right. So what we need to do is to iterate through this array, or rather this string. For each int I is equals to 0, and then we'll have I less than the input. We are iterating through this input, the length of the input, and then say I plus plus. And then now here's the trick. This is where all the magic happens. If you say output plus equals to, and you say say input dot character at index I, right? So it will give us the actual character, but we need the next one, so we can add one. So as soon as we do this, it'll go to the next one. But the output here is not necessarily what we're expecting, so we want the actual character. So we can just typecast it to character. So if we do this, then we know that we have the actual character that we're looking for, and not the decimal representation of it. So in this instance, we are done constructing our output. We can just now print it out on the console. Let me just run it and see if whether it works. Voila, here is the expected output. So you can literally have A, B, C, D, anything in there. Right, so it's going to be B, C, D, E, as we have already shown in the example. Thank you.